hardly 2 seconds. Just pressed like this. He looks at me, tells me, but too many husbands. In 1984, I did a 1-week penance in Philippines. Basically very simple. Stick to the hotel, eat, do puja, don't go out except on office work. That was my penance. And I said, Swami, in return, I want to press at least 1 foot of yours. I had this ardent desire to press his feet. Because Pada Namaskaram is second class. First class, press the feet. You know, we always daydream about Sriman Narayana lying down and we pressing the feet. So I said, Swami, 1 week in Manila, I just eat once a day, do puja in the hotel, not go out except office work. Please grant me this little boon to press your foot. I came with all the expectation. He called me inside. I just put my hand on the foot. And immediately my mind says, I told you, with Swami, only truth. He gave the right foot to somebody else. I got the left foot. I didn't enjoy that minute. The monkey mind tells me, see, right foot for somebody. As that thought was going on, I was just pressing a little bit, hardly 2 seconds. Just pressed like this. He looks at me and says, Mahapativrata, you are a very chaste woman. I was happy. What else I want? And other people in the room, they laughed a little bit. Then he tells me, but too many husbands. Everybody laughed. I also laughed. I didn't know what else to do. I wanted to press his foot, allowed me. As I was just enjoying, he says, you are a Mahapativrata. It's a great certificate. Nobody can ask for better. And then immediately he says, but too many husbands. It took me some time, a couple of years, to understand he has to forgive me and the other also must forgive me. I used to have tremendous love whenever I saw the feet of Venkateswara, the Lord of 7 hills. I love those 2 feet. Unfortunately, nobody allows me to go there to touch those feet. They won't allow you. No special ticket for the feet. No way, no way. Nobody is allowed apparently in Tirupati. So I remembered after 5 years or 6 years, Swami, I know what you meant. Okay, promise, you alone, nobody. If I want to be chaste, if I want to have him as my husband, I have to give up the other one. So given up. You alone and none else. In 1998, we had a finance workshop in Puttaparthi. And I had about 10 days leave. First 3 days, MBA students finance workshop. We were confident that, please understand one thing, there is no diplomacy, no tact. All occasions in Puttaparthi are only a means to an end. What is the end? Get close to Swami. Have one more word. Hold once his hands. Touch his feet. Other things are all ancillary. So we were all very confident. This workshop is a great occasion. He will call us for interview. He will talk to us, blah, 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 blah. He is the master craftsman. Suddenly on that day, now previous evening we were told, tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, Swami will inaugurate the workshop, go to Whitefield. All our, what more workshop? It is neither work nor shop. Swami is going away, what is the workshop? Fortunately, he spent a little time with us, talked to us, consoled us, told us, take care of the workshop, do a good job, make sure the children gets the best material, blah, 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 blah. 3 days workshop is over. I still have about 7 days break. Came to Whitefield. On the first day at Whitefield, which was December 7, 98, December 7, 1998. On the first day, morning darshan, and I must tell you, the privileges of these guest speakers, visiting faculty, they're all very great privileges. 2 students used to come, bring me here, put me in the front row. Ah, what a status. That's the reason for the workshop, nothing else. About 8 o'clock, we had the darshan. About 9 o'clock, I just thought, Swami, I have 7 days leave. If you don't mind, I'll just go to Tirupati once. I feel like seeing him, Swami. I know you are alone, nobody else, but I want to see him once, Swami. This was at 9 o'clock. At 11, suddenly it occurred to me, no, don't do this. Only one. I turned towards Trai. I was staying in the guest quarter there. I turned towards Trai, went up to see Trai. Turned towards Trai and said, Swami, one husband is enough for me. I will not go. Forgive me. I made a mistake. I said all that, and then I went and had my lunch. At about 2 p.m., I saw 3 buses coming, and strange people, baskets of flowers, baskets of laddus. I went to the warden and said, who are all these people? Tirupati people are coming here to pray to Swami. Swami, all I have done is, I don't want to go. You are enough for me. You are all I have. You bring Tirupati for me? It was amazing joy. I requested the 2 students, today you forgive me, I want to sit on the other side. Tirupati people were all sitting here. The entire people, the executive officer, priests, everybody was sitting here. That side, I wanted to sit so that when Swami interacts with them, I will have a pleasant, wonderful sight. Swami came along, stood before me. I held his feet, looked up. Silver color. Pure silver, that face. And he asked me, is everybody okay in Puttaparthi? Who is this wonder called Sri Satya Sai Baba? Who is this Satya Sai Baba? He is my Srinivasa. He is my Srinivasa. Otherwise, what is the dialogue? Puttaparthilo andaru baagunnara? Swami, I said something very beautiful and he was extremely happy. All I am saying is, he alone and none else.